Mawon saga haye esto chang gala shungo wuivang shun sami mikhavai kabo joint action committee semayer saga tata miji bung hang medit shadwe long ni buk saga vai timan sahila 2025 Miss Shuri Lili Mingpo ismi shaiza hunpun nauna creator Jurajanpur District Session Court Special NIA Court High Miera Like yang ator, Tangkhul Express Pvt Wungramphi Ngalung in a bami dalei, Bobby may sign nganangarumsa. Esto chang ni sakatat miji pung hang medit shadwe along ni pashok mikhavai, agitation habokawra the tishar awung shin mi sebay na hangairo. Marami aya tishar hang awung gala hamne kong tang na press conference kapam ni hanga. Mawon saka hai es Tochang ni sakatat marami mashun nga kauda Joint Action Committee JAC na Governorly Memorandum mi sangaira kataka action krigami boira marami awung dang humpung li kashok ochot zingum hangmadi da phanga es tochang ni satatai kasawina tishar now tochang hi as chinaw ngomwi now mi year na aplo khamle kong humpung li pam kasana JAC na Governorly kabi kasanga tishoda Tochang hi ti shimin ti Charlie Government Lower Primary School shoot me sa dalei kasana. Tarik magatang shun bung kani makai shikali abis utin LIS chotu ko ho mona workshop in mechanic na Tochang ni awishim A block hamne kong ni raholaga although K10 number MN03B 5052 kari kachar eina tui kahaina. Chitang ngaya Tochang shim tu da magada akatang shim korona awing sot nauli ngatinga ka awi horzat ka hai chan bao misam pangrer tuwaji tarik magada akang zin awing sot na kai khana chan bao mida tarik mak ngshunji apis utining so zat saya gachi hang kamina ji shungkung sot na wing na workshop bamni monawi achina thoi li chan pe basai ka ki ga misam pang tu da chitang ngaya bung trada aka shigali Shimkona Toy Ling Soda, Okru Police Station, the FIR Taksangna. Tarik Magada Kaning Ator Awungtang and Ksomdang Organization, Humpung Executive Ping Kutom Kamizangda. Tochang we Katingunji Epis Utin LIS Chotu Koho, Mechanic we Ka the Samgapangnaji. Shibokai Gasa Angunji blanket in a Saka Mailaga, Flurli Ashi Long Bahalaga Legasana Dahanga. Abis utin ni asamui minaji, awi Amei vula infal nam tulong alem ni workshop shoyaji. Preska zipchili kahanga tishoda, emerging na monali kol salaga, akuto na mi satat haida leida, katingun jupun mikhavai boyaji. Kam mona na angaj, how would police investigate kasali, hang shoka gaji preska zipli hanga. Zakshilak kahai ochot ji take with Tishar Village Authority in Hamnekong locality, Awungdang Galakosomdang Organization, Dhawaijao, Humpung Youth Student Organization, Humpung Village Authority Ling Shikta, Ochot wuivang Mashun Samings Kavai Joint Action Committee Semna. Kanang Sifu Declaration Kole Jingri Kavai Gala Mashun Sem Mikhavai Joint Action Committee na hitharan timan sadalei. Concerned authority na punghang madidit shadwe along the culpritly puksa palungra kala che aya tarik mukada katumwe na shanpokra. Mawon saga highway what belonging concerned law and authority na shunko li kuyum ni palungra awe what pingji although K10 kachar vehicle number MN0P3 5052 cell phone Vivo kala wallet chili cash ATM card, bank card, Aadhaar card, hikata hi zangaji. Shorgana shungkur li excretia mi plungra, awi nganai mi tui gaji thaisa li kacha atpam mi plungra da boda khalei concerned authority na mamiyaka katingun shimok yung mara da JAC na hangairo. Ayawi mi na itumi shimlong li ralaga shim akavawi akohung karim hiya mamayanga lakmana da tishar awunga shim mi sebay na hangsanga. 2025 Miss Shirley Lee Mingpo ismi shaiza sing hunbun nauna creator. Miss Shirley Lee kamade edition grand finale aya wangayan Shirley Lee rumia. Pvt for Humanity Kachitugui, the Paysin that Miss Shuri Lily Organization Committee, the Indigenous Foundation DIF Namakokami, Pvt Pageant Grande Final Ling Alanao, Magadakani Nangahana. Miss Shuri Lily 2025 Crown winner Hunpun now Ismi assessed, first runner-up in Far West with Disti Atokpam Devi, Kala second runner-up Jadrik now Esther Somungna Jamang Nakriya. Miss Shuri Lily Ngahan with subtitle Shini, Miss Humility Shonjui Gazingmei, Miss Graceful Walk Laurakpam Geneva, Miss Pete Bangte Sumi Ningshiya, Miss Perfect Body Ismi SS, Miss Beautiful Smile Cecilia Zimik, Miss Talented Temtem A Shimei, Miss Popularity Esther Somungna Jamang Nakriya. Miss Shuri Lily crown winner Saman Luba Lakatum, first runner-up li Lak Ako, second runner-up li Tinghang Shini da Pangamiya. Makok mena Shatayra Gasa to show the subtitle Kayuibing ni Saman Luba Tingmakarik Miya. Jurajambur District Session Court Special NIA Court Hai Miera, Special Court Maleilak in state with violence case Yangsang Mikhavai, National Investigate Agency in Manipur Kongazawi high profile case ngatate the Yangsang Mida, wuivang Special Court High Community. Ministry of Home Affairs MHA and Shat Kamili, Court of District and Session Judge Jurajambur Aro NIA Act 2008 Section 11 as in the Special Court Zang the High Mirror Kachan Baumia. Tweetak Manipur High Court Chief Justice Ding San the Kokwinaji. Special Court Chui Jurisdiction Manipur State Saikorali Rashungda. Manipur to short we eina kushok major cases katum NIA investigate dalei. Chewing Jali jury bomwin and now Shinawala Shinauto to create like a satat kahai case chilazanga. Agency in a case being 2024 ngapay kachang officially registered saya. Ngalung and Focal Mountain Indigenous Knowledge Center, Kala Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na ngarum the No Litter Campaign kasa alung zangay. Campaign ji ukrul headquarter crown way na hawpok the Shuri Lily panit we ngaran angay rungkumiyapam ni kamakao miherta papakawai gazat na ji. Campaign flag of sakami ukrul this year na mayakangay pangshok ta kahang.
See, when you are entering a toilet in a aircraft, they used to mention, leave the toilet like how you wanted to enter. Similarly, we needed to keep our town clean, our areas clean, our district clean. It is not that we can live with the litter, because Ukrul used to be one of the most beautiful, serene town, and its conditions deteriorated, and that we don't want to happen. That is why I think like we are putting so much of emphasis on the sanitation part, and glad that these people taken up, and many other initiatives were taken in voluntary cleanliness drives, especially from the youth affairs department has taken up one drive, and ADC is constantly doing it, and you can see that town is more or less clean. So that I wish to give a more emphasis and to make it happen. Many churches have taken social works, and many organizations, many villages have taken social work. So it's a good emphasis. We needed to focus more on this, and I think this will happen even after the conclusion of the festival tomorrow. So it will go on.
And focal with President Yoyung Shaizana Kamakao, Hergatawi Maram the hanged, Shuri Panit Mayon Kupkahai Witili, Itumabam he Macau the Mahila, Ter the High Kawai with Maram Nikahang.
It is in the Saturday, waste Maramri, littering South Maramri, some fight can call Horgata, Killa can call he Yarina, environment Saturday by he, Haptarga, Itumna. Address Yarudi the Saga itum na apam hi tharta bai festival ko bai wi ti apam hi khamkhawai na hai kai ming na kha itum hi lifestyle khamta hi yarui di promote sa ngai ni dun sa da ga chitau ki da ishi hi everyday was waste warrior da tima ka sem ga Tangkhul Sinawlong na makhok da MIKC the Mountain Indigenous Knowledge Center sang and focal sang ide Directorate of Environment and Climate Change sang ga ocharum da hawpok thangai na achi rashungda every morning he with liter he pick up sar ga address sa da ga ni satra hai di Asian focal na single use plastic pen sa hai di alternative hi isina kon sakshi musang ri ji jam khai na upcycle sar ga hi khopui ga bag sem ga yarui di single use plastic wi mahut sa da isin ni khwai bang isin sakrai nang ran ri protection hapuk manai ri zatwa ki ti isu hi ada successor bai ji citizen ni yarui na da to miro kala ithum da festival kamyon na ithum wi khư ram hi ma khau sang ni ra ka ithum wi lan like sang sa subscribe ngai she
Shuri Lili Panitili Environment Di Leshi the third Haikawai campaign Jaja Hondar Mikadaka Tangwin Hapok Haina Kala Macau Katali Kakamina Nasoda Itum Kupungnao Bingna Kamang Springwater third Haikawai Kasatna Shuri Lili Festival Hokapok Wina Tangachida Waste Warrior Tumra Gada Haida Kalina the TSL President Tingrabu Lunghar Washin Hanga No Leader Campaign Jokrul Shiri Lunghar Hikatai Likazatna Shiri Lili Panith Kakzang Tourist Rakana Timrawon Saka Kayang take with the Shiri Youth Club SYC Namakamaya Pongshokaira Ram Yaukara Bini Shiri Kapuni won the clay Timrawon Gala Tinaraha Mehek Mapurkavai Shiri Youth Club na Kayakshi and a boy Saikorana responsible tourist ngasada katena la ringpagoi kabaya pam haimi sada SYC na kasat sanga awon rong saka kayang la mninga ka khe kapurli kasaka action queera da Shiri Youth Club na hangwati naira Shiri kupungdon li meite pilan gishun maram ni Tangkhul katamnaw saklong na makamaya pongshokaira Shiri Lili Panithi itumi ngalei mang ni samgapang itumi ngalei kala Tangkhul na kanaw pingwi entering spirit celebrate kasana Panithina Jingri Gahai ecological consciousness kala ngashenwi kaya amahang saya the case na hanga chitada sada aram white ngol the affiliate saya da hanga kala cobra team unit 58 na identify kasa faction ning suna gajimi bing na shiri gapungdon ni meitei machu shini pilan kakushun kala communal understand gazang slogan kakong about isakla ka high provocation na the case na hanga Katara Tangkhul Leihali celebrate political symbolism Krieg shock chi Jingri ka highly ka hub kala naganaw being we neutral stand li hub ka vai ka sana infal tamba makanda territorial kala ideological dominance assert sa ka vai ka sana the TKs na makamaya pong shoka at actually Tangkhul katamnaw saklong na condemn sa pong shokta itumi katara apam politicize sa ka vai ka sa meaning ako itumi ngalewi historical la cultural ownership ling sung ka vai ka sali machami mara kachi TKs na ngawawaira itumi kaya kala machut ni kaya makshi symbol pilan la slogan impose ka sa Tangkhul na kanaw ping na accept masalak mara the TKs na hanga majushini mete pilan wi Manipur hubfurwi collective which tayada kaikana ka hangji itum na makwi sangmana the TKs na hanga itumi miyuna adam ka sang ka zing machu naka pilan sing the raira itum pilanji itumi political aspiration historical commission gala na tehang gahai machut di shikuida sing na ga TKs na hanga arambai temo we otsakji take khori mang maning la paning gazak zak ta kasa riopat otsak na da saklong jen hangaira TKs na jikata otsak chili mangusung la mazatang sak maragachi ngararik aina hangda chambao in a final warning na chihaira jikata instruction gala political posturing otsak shokluyaka saklaka high consequences sampangra Tangkhul na ka napingwi kaya todrinjan territorial integrity non-negotiable na the TKs na hangaira Panyathili Tangkhul na community saikorali kapha ina welcome kasaji khangazanna da mukhi bai mara itumna kasai na kagabam hi kamayana da mukhi bai mara gaji saklong jan hang sanga Panit kala kokha kasawi amingai na kapung bangwi jingri ka highly mashekul bai mara da tikis na hang sanga responsible richum now pingal organization saikoru ochochi salak eina paning kuida Chikatha kangakai kangka ot sakchi rakara atam ni rashungsak mashungsak phalumara da tikis na kasat sanga Mawan sa kahaya so changli sagatat ochot li kandem saya gaji hamne kong shinao long nanga wawaira hamne kong a block li bang sati shana tho chang li mijam miram makaning ramsaw ya chammaina satatai ka saw ochot chili hamne kong shinao long na bangla na kandem sada chanbam shoka Mitun makangatun otsa kasalik zangbing jayvali takta higher authorities spring na berkangi shongan permi phalungrad hamne kongshnao long na boira Train Action Committee di Shar Village na timan kasaji mo ungshungrang na kaina tangda hamne kongshnao long na katomra ka chinga waira mawan sa kahaya so chang shim korna ka khanang li hamne kongshnao long na la phungrum dalei awi mangla chingring sak ngasam khiranu da hangchpuna Fourth Maha-Regiment the Manipur State Transport Bus Lake Hub Ochot the Makhamya State Video Protest White Protest Lingarumda Cart Wabagai na Wabagai Gatel Machali Protest Pamaira Protest Kasabing Jina Manipur Shimit Kawai India Policy Li Contem Saya Manipur Mutat Payarai Irebak Asigi Ekwe Mabuni Dangawaw Ngoroka Amuko Boire Lemarol Amavao COHR gal MSF Nathan the Protesti Kakching District Kuyabam Gatatay Dali Kuika Haira Protest Rally Kakching District United Club Organization Tanda Longpang Pingji Kajita Ishiwui Abam Nizan Ngorokaira Manipur we identity kala integrating mikhavai saikor na kokar sada kangshir kala civil movement machan sak khavai ka satay rally jichingri na kupsanga Ragara zingum pangawi alungli Reliance Industries na Northeastly the ba crore tinghang shini the panga investor jair Bao hi New Delhi li room kami Rising Northeast Investors Summit li Reliance Industries with Chairman Mukesh Ambani na chat kami na Summit ji aya hawak the Prime Minister Narendra Modi na tharkat kami Rising Northeast Investors Summit 2025 ji Bharat Mandapam New Delhi li aju kupsanga Northeast Abam Hilly Sashok Sakui Gabai later claim Maram Hangjita Global Domestic Investment ranks Kawai submit Chile stakeholders, investors, policymakers being soon Migi China. Northeast wuivang rin khalei Ambani na Hangjita key commitment Maram Kala Kongnai Ngalabing Singapore Katha Ngalei Tada Sam Kawai rin khalei Hanga. Mukesh Ambani na kahang Zadraga High Zingum Hangwadi Shikawi Alongni Reliance na Northeast di lupa 30,000 crore hersangaya. Rakara Atam Hilila Northeast we made 2.5 million ni direct kala indirect employment abomi kawai sara the Reliance akavachin hanga. Reliance Foundation and Northeastern States Saikorali Shikta Olympic Training Center la Samra dalei gachi Ambani na hanga. Atani Group nala Northeastern Apam Hili lupa 50,000 crore hersangra dalei investment jirakara zingum tharawe alungli mikhavai kasana chiwe alungni local ot kala entrepreneurship katom kami miksang mira the chairman Gautam Matani na hanga 50,000 crore sangi gachi ngurum laga group jina tuimi ga high total plaque investment lupa 1 lakh crore kashunga na hanga Rising Northeast Investors Submit na Matuida Gautam Matanina Group Chiwi Kamadaya Karin Green Energy Project Smart Meters Hydro Pump Storage Power Transmission Gala Shongfu Infrastructure Development Digital Network Logistic Capacity Building wuivang Skill Development Vocational Training Center Hikata Hilirindra Dahanga PMOT na Kokotong Egg East Egg Fast Ek first kajili atani nala kakutom pongshoka. Aray tumne advertisement naka unangorum sa. Okrul hunpun richum naw saikor rele gaj shat na gajya. Okrul Hunpun Executive Council ina Infal Hunpun year na makoklaga rakara Tarik Magadachiko in Tumratang seminar Wake and Work Out Kachi Tikui Azingni Rungidalei. Seminar Jali Manipur Hills areas we governance kala retrospection and reformation for the future gaji maram ngazekra. Seminar Jali Amazing Luikam, retired IAS Kala, Soso Shaiza, former member, NCW Anina, resource person Samira. Seminar Jali Richumna Zaiko Runa Sehasak, Eina achon mikhavai bodalei. Atam na ngator bung trada akho ina tuida, ngshun bung katum ina tangda. Abam na okrul hunpun Ngalung office awondang okrul. Laduida achir kamdaya bawi. Mawon saga haye esto chang gala shungo wuivang shun sami mikhavai kabo joint action committee semayer saga tata miji bung hang medit shedwe long ni book saga vai timan sahila 2025 Miss Ishiwui Lili Mingpo Ismi Shaiza Hunpun Nauna Creator Jurajanpur District Session Court Special NIA Court High Miera Ajuri bao hiling jangai bao na da kain tum saikorali ring ka pa ka la khamai zim shong sa sirana